So today I came trauma center. So you can see this is a KGMU trauma center, and their side I came. So when I think 10 to 20 minutes spent, so their side first thing I realized that definitely if you come their side, so you will able to know that what is important of life, because their side you can see right now everyone waiting for curing and numbers when they will come to the doctor and see, because everyone waiting their side. And especially if you see outside patient laying and this is high temperature, but they don't do anything, because when come number, so that time only see the doctor. And some patient inside, they are also waiting. So definitely this is a life. And especially which people they don't understand that what is life, and all time arrogance, and my way is highway. So definitely they must come their side, and I think 1 2 hours spend, so they will able to understand automatically. And I came, and I saw most of cases their side come accidental. So definitely you know if you ride very speedy like bike and car, so definitely don't ride over speed, because most of cases accidental than any kind of casualties and fights. So and inside some people are waiting, and especially you know they have problem like some leg broken, head injuries, and hand also injured. And also, one patient I met also, so they are saying that I have been 5 days, but still I don't get a good cure, because my patient is still to operate, so I am waiting for 5 days. So this is also very problem. And you can see whole view this is, and everyone waiting. So this is view. But you must understand, if you have arrogance any kind of, and some people they understand that my way is highway. So I think when you come their side, so you realized only life not your hand. Life is unacceptable, unpredictable, we can say. And you don't know what happened next moment, because everyone fit, everyone physically, mentally, but what will happen next moment, you don't know. So this is a problem. And right now this is a problem. They think that I don't have any problem. And I came which work, so only three thing also realize. And keen and acquaintances also, very well that what you have, because their side everyone with some acquaintances. So quite tough to life their side. And if you fit, so always gratitude God, because save our life. And we don't have much access also. And everyone their side triple triple kulahal. Thanks for watching.